my audio messed up, so I did a voiceover. Okay, let's go to the video. Alright, so hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, my eyes is messed up. Yeah, so I don't know, but I got this new camera. It's the Canon EOS. I hope you guys enjoy it and everything, but go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, turn that notification bell on if you want to see more videos. Okay, so yeah, is my, do you guys like this quality camera? Hopefully it's good. It's not some poor quality, you know, because I just got it in today and the UPS people, they delivered it, and you know, they're stupid. But yeah, anyways, yeah, rolling around. But yeah, if you're enjoying this, like it and smash it and do all that kind of stuff that you guys want to do, because I will fart on your face and I will enjoy that, and you know, that's just what I do. But yeah, you guys, I'm so freaking messed up. Look at my freaking makeup. My makeup's so freaking messed up. I'm not messed up. Oh, was that the end? Okay, yeah, you guys, don't, you know, mind that trash. I gotta